Welcome to Behind the Shed Cooking, where we cook everything outside. Since moving to Northern Ireland from Canada, one thing I've missed is hot wings. Every bar or restaurant you go to in Canada or North America has hot wings on their menu. So today, we're cooking hot wings. Okay, the first thing we have to do is make our hot sauce. So I'm gonna make two types of hot sauce today. I'm making Frank's Buffalo hot sauce, which is by far #1 hot sauce. Every restaurant, most of them, it's Frank's. And I'm also gonna be making a sriracha hot sauce for our wings today. And this is very, very simple. So I've measured out 6 ounces of Frank's hot sauce. So if it's 6 ounces of hot sauce, you divide it in 2. So I need 3 ounces of butter. And I also need 1.5 ounces of honey. And I'm gonna let that melt and simmer for a few minutes. Okay, this is starting to simmer up nicely. So now I'm going to add it to my hot sauce. Okay, so I got my 6 ounces of Frank's. I'm just gonna pour this in and whisk it up. Now you'll notice kind of seems oily, but just keep stirring it. It's good. Frank's is done. So I'm going to do the exact same thing for sriracha, except I have 4 ounces of sriracha, so I'll use 2 ounces of butter and 1 ounce of honey. Okay, now that our hot wing sauce is ready, we're going to get the fryer lit up. I'm just using canola oil here, and I'm going to heat this up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Let's get this puppy lit. And now we will go prepare the wings. Okay, this is very simple. All I'm gonna do is we wanna add some flour. Now you could measure this out, but it really doesn't matter. The point is to coat your wings in flour. I'm using gluten-free flour because my wife has celiac disease. We wanna do a little bit of flour. We wanna do a little bit of salt. We want to do a little bit of pepper. Just mix that up. And then we will dunk our wings and put it in the oil. So, anatomy of a chicken wing. A chicken wing comes in 3 parts. There's the drumlet, there's the flat or the winglet, and there's the tip. This is a winglet. It's 2 bones, one here, one up here. Quite meaty, and that is a winglet. So we'll put that in. And there's the drumlet, which is thin on this side, fat on this side. Don't need that. And this is the drumlet. Now the tip, or sometimes called the flapper, doesn't have a lot of meat on it. It's just basically cartilage and skin. Some people like to chew on it. I don't. These wings I just bought from the shop as a package. So we'll put that. So we'll start with 6. All you want to do is you want to just coat these around. Get them all nicely coated up with flour. All ready to go in the fryer. So when the oil is up to temperature, we will fry them up. Okay, our oil's up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. So now we're going to add our wings. Here's our 6 wings here. Basically, we're just gonna dunk this in. Now we're gonna cook these wings for about 8 minutes or so. Basically, what you're looking for is a nice golden brown crisp on the outside, and then you know they're done. So I'll just let those go for a bit. Okay, it's been 9 minutes since we put the wings in, and as you can see, they're nicely golden brown. So we're gonna take them out. And what we wanna do here is put them on a paper towel. Okay, once we have the wings on the paper towel, what we want to do is just dab whatever excess oil we have off the wings. And then we add them to our sauce. So I'm gonna go 3 of these wings in the sriracha sauce, and 3 of them in the Frank's hot sauce. Just mix them around. Sriracha one. I've never had sriracha wings before, so it's a new experience for me. Next up, put them on the plate. And that's it. That's how you make 2 types of wings. We got the buffalo hot wings, and we have the sriracha hot wings. Let's give one of these a taste. I'm gonna go for the sriracha, see how hot it is. Yeah, that's delicious. Thanks for watching Behind the Shed Cooking. If you like this video, please subscribe and click like. We have a lot more to come.